Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you how you can make money online using the trending websites ChatGPT and MidJourney for over $800 per day. The digital era has fostered an increasingly interconnected global marketplace, enabling individuals to tap into their entrepreneurial spirit. The world is evolving, and now is the time to seize the opportunities at the intersection of innovation, creativity, and automation. And if you want more useful ideas and techniques like these, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Let's begin. In today's fast-paced world of limitless possibilities, emerging technologies like ChatGPT and MidJourney are revolutionizing how we navigate passive income. The exponential progress of artificial intelligence allows us to explore new horizons. The digital landscape has become a fertile ground for entrepreneurial ventures, where innovative individuals can harness the power of artificial intelligence and natural language processing to generate income effortlessly. With ChatGPT, we can effortlessly engage with customers, provide personalized assistance, and automate various tasks, creating a seamless user experience. Meanwhile, MidJourney, an impressive image generation model, expands our capabilities by transforming our ideas into stunning visual representations. This opens up possibilities for creating eye-catching marketing materials, captivating designs, and unique artwork that can be monetized. Get ready to discover the most effective techniques and methods to do it. One effective method to start selling products online is to explore popular online marketplaces such as Shopify, Walmart Marketplace, or Amazon and search for best reviewed items. For instance, let's consider the scenario of selling a children's storybook. By identifying a children's storybook with excellent reviews, you gain valuable insights into the type of product that has proven appeal and customer satisfaction. This approach can provide several advantages. Firstly, it allows you to tap into the existing demand and popularity of well-reviewed products, increasing the likelihood of attracting potential buyers. Secondly, studying the positive reviews and customer feedback gives you an understanding of the specific features, themes, or qualities that customers value in a children's storybook, enabling you to identify potential gaps in the market or unique selling points for your product. Once you've identified the best reviewed item, you can take inspiration from its success and apply those learnings to develop your unique offering. This may involve creating a storybook with a similar theme or style that caters to a specific niche, or adding innovative elements to differentiate it from existing options. This is where ChatGPT comes into play. The second method is to create a storybook generated by ChatGPT. If you're unfamiliar with ChatGPT, is a language model developed by OpenAI and part of the GPT family of models. It is designed to engage in conversational interactions and provide responses based on the input it receives. ChatGPT leverages much text data to generate contextually relevant and coherent replies to user queries or prompts. ChatGPT has been trained on a diverse range of internet text to have a broad understanding of various topics and can generate creative and informative responses. It can assist with answering questions, providing explanations, offering suggestions, and engaging in interactive conversations. Use it to your advantage to make a children's storybook for you. ChatGPT can be harnessed to create a unique children's storybook. By leveraging ChatGPT's language generation capabilities, you can provide the necessary information and ideas to create a compelling narrative. To use ChatGPT to your advantage, you can interact with and guide the model by providing specific prompts or instructions. Begin by outlining the key elements you want in your storybook, such as the main characters, setting, plot, and underlying themes. Clearly communicate the story's age group or target audience to ensure appropriate and engaging content. You may need to iterate and provide additional guidance to achieve the desired storytelling style, tone, and coherence. For the title of your story, ChatGPT can generate engaging and attention-grabbing options that capture the essence of your narrative. It can also help you craft a captivating and comprehensive story description, highlighting its essential elements, themes, and emotional journey it offers readers. ChatGPT can even assist in generating SEO tags that optimize your story's visibility in online searches. By understanding your story's genre, themes, and target audience, it can recommend appropriate tags that align with industry standards and enhance your story's discoverability on search engines. By providing such guidance, you can direct the model's output toward your desired storyline and themes. Remember that ChatGPT's responses are generated based on the data it has been trained on, so reviewing and refining its output is essential. Now that you've crafted your captivating story, it's time to bring it to life through visually stunning images that complement and enhance the narrative. The book's illustrations are crucial in engaging young readers, capturing their imagination and immersing them in your created world. Creating the book's images is the third method. It's an exciting process that can be facilitated by innovative tools like MidJourney, an image generator that leverages the power of AI to bring your story to life visually. MidJourney offers a unique approach to generating custom illustrations and graphics that perfectly complement your narrative. If you're unfamiliar with MidJourney, it's an advanced generative model developed by an independent research lab of the same name. It is specifically designed to generate unique and creative images from textual descriptions. With MidJourney, you can provide specific instructions, prompts, or references to guide the image generation process. This allows you to maintain creative control and ensure that the generated images align with your vision for the book. Whether you have a particular scene, character, or concept in mind, MidJourney can help transform your ideas into stunning visuals. MidJourney stands out for its ability to create coherent, distinct, and lifelike visuals. The AI capabilities of MidJourney enable it to understand and interpret the given instructions to generate high-quality and customizable images. It can adapt to different styles, themes, and moods, providing various artistic possibilities. MidJourney's extensive commands and parameters give users granular control over their image creations. Collaborating with MidJourney allows you to explore various visual directions and iterate on the generated images until they align with your creative vision. You can experiment with different compositions, color schemes, and artistic elements to find the perfect visual representation for your book. Integrating the generated images from MidJourney into your book can elevate the storytelling experience for young readers. The customized illustrations will captivate their imagination, helping to immerse them further into the enchanting world you've created. Combining your compelling story and visually striking images will create an unforgettable reading experience. MidJourney allows consumers to try the service with a few free image creations before committing to a subscription membership. Faster processing, more features, and better photography are all available with a paid package. By harnessing the creative power of ChatGPT and visual prowess of MidJourney, you've successfully crafted a visually appealing and enticing children's storybook that is ready to be sold in online marketplaces. The AI-powered assistant has enabled you to fine-tune the storyline, add depth to the characters, and ensure that the overall narrative resonates with your target audience. But the journey doesn't end with words on a page. With MidJourney, an AI-driven image generator, you've seamlessly transformed your storybook into a visual masterpiece. A robust approach to boosting your earnings in online marketplaces combines the capabilities of ChatGPT and MidJourney as the image generation AI to create appealing and marketable images. ChatGPT can act as your creative assistant, providing prompts and suggestions that can be fed into the image generation AI, enabling you to generate eye-catching visuals for selling online. Engaging with ChatGPT allows you to have dynamic conversations and seek prompts tailored to your target market and product offerings. You can describe the desired style, theme, or elements of the images you want to create. ChatGPT can generate helpful prompts to guide the image generation AI. The generated prompts from ChatGPT can then be used as inputs from MidJourney, which will interpret the instructions and produce visually appealing and marketable images that align with your creative vision. And that's not all. The versatility of ChatGPT extends beyond creative writing and storytelling. You can leverage its capabilities to delve into coding and software development, even without prior experience. With ChatGPT as your coding companion, you can embark on a journey of building your own software or application. Whether you're looking to create a mobile app, a web application, or a software solution, ChatGPT can provide prompts, suggestions, and code snippets to kickstart your project. Even if you lack prior coding experience, ChatGPT can help demystify programming concepts, explain the syntax, and guide you through development. ChatGPT can provide step-by-step instructions, recommend helpful resources and tutorials, and assist in troubleshooting common coding challenges. It can help you navigate frameworks, libraries, and development tools, empowering you to make informed decisions throughout your coding journey. With ChatGPT's guidance, you can define the scope and functionality of your software or app, plan the architecture, and implement the necessary code. You can seek advice on user interface design, data management, and integration with external services or APIs. ChatGPT can even assist in testing and debugging, ensuring the quality and reliability of your software solution. There are no boundaries to what you can achieve. Your imagination is the absolute limit. The dynamic duo of ChatGPT and MidJourney presents an extraordinary opportunity to create something remarkable and potentially generate a passive income. By harnessing the power of AI-driven creative writing and image generation, you have the tools to craft captivating stories, visually stunning content, and unique products that captivate audiences and stand out in online marketplaces. Embrace the endless possibilities, leverage the AI-powered capabilities, and unlock the door to a world where your creativity meets financial potential. With ChatGPT and MidJourney as your allies, you have the means to turn your ideas into reality and embark on a rewarding journey toward passive income generation. So, dare to dream, embrace innovation, and let ChatGPT and MidJourney propel you towards success in the ever-evolving digital landscape. The potential for passive income awaits, and it's time to make your mark. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video to be beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.